Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about least recently used page replacement algorithm in memory management of the operating systems. What is LRU page replacement algorithm? So the least recently used algorithm chooses that page that has not been used for the longest period of time. That means it is quietly opposite to the optimal page replacement algorithm. In optimal page replacement algorithm, we look the page will be coming as a request in future. But here we look the page we used recently, very last. So it is exactly opposite. So optimal page replacement algorithm looks forward direction and this algorithm looks in backward direction in time. So that is the main concept in LRU page replacement algorithm. Now we will understand this algorithm by taking one example. Here we have a reference string generated by the CPU having sequence of page numbers. We have to fill all these page numbers with the available memory. So let us assume we have a memory of 3 partitions so that we can accommodate 3 pages only, and initially all these partitions are empty. Okay. So the first request, we are taking the reference string pages. The first page here is 7. Initially it is empty, means there is no page, it is a page fault, and 7 is filled as a first page frame. So this is called, we know this is called a miss. And next 0. So 7 is filled, remaining 2 frames are empty. So 0 is filled as second frame and it is also one miss. Next 1, 7 0 available and 1 empty place. So now our memory is filled with 3 frames, 7 0 1. Now the new request is page number 2. Page number 2 is available in this memory? No, this is a page fault. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to remove one page from this memory and assign the new request page number to that particular partition or space. So according to LRU page replacement, we have to identify which page has least recently used. So among 701, 1 is very recently used, before 1 0 is used, before 0 7 is used. Only 3 frames we have used. Among these 3, 7 is the least recently used frame. So simply we remove this 7 and assign 2 or replace 2 in place of 7. Right? That is the main concept. So whenever there is a page fault occurs, we have to identify the pages in the memory in backward time, which frame or which page frame is least recently used. We have to identify that one and replace that one with the new requested page. So next request page number is 0. Available page frames are 2 0 1. 0 is available. This is called hit. So next 3. Available are 2 0 1. Among 2 0 1, recently used 0, before 0 2, before 2 1. So 1 is LRU, least recently used. So remove 1 and replace with 3. So it is also one miss. Next 0. 0 is available in the memory. This is one hit. Next 4. 4 is not available. So we have to find out the LRU page. 0 is recently used. 3 is before that and 2 far away. So 2 is our LRU page. Replace 2 with 4. This is miss. Next again 2. Available are 4 0 3. So 4 is recently used. Before 4 0, before 0 3. So you simply remove 3 and filled with the 2. This is miss. Next 3. Available 4 0 2. So 2 is recently used. 4 is before 2. 0 is before 4. So simply you remove the LRU page filled with 3. This is also one miss. Next 0. Available are 4 3 2. Among 432, 3 is recently used. Before 3, 2. Before 2, 4. So 4 is the LRU page. Remove the 4, filled with 0. This is also one miss. Next 3. Available frames are 0, 3, 2. 3 is available. This is called hit. 2. 2 is available. This is also hit. Next 1. 1 is not available. I have to find out the LRU page. 2 is recently used. 3 is before 2. So 1 is far away. So wait. So here 1 is the new request. 1 is the new request. And available are 0, 3, 2. And 2 is recently used. 3 is recently used. And 0 is far away. So you simply remove 4 and filled with 1. This is miss. Next 2. Available are 1, 3, 2. 2 is available. This is called hit. Next 0. 0 means 2 is already recently used. Before 2, 1. Before that 3. So simply remove 3 and filled with 0. This is also one miss. Next 1. Available are 1, 0, 2. 1 is available. This is called hit. Next 7. So 1 is recently used. 0 is next. And the last one is 2. So this is our LRU page. LRU page. And remove this and filled with 7. Here is. So 1 is recently used, 0 and 2. So remove 2. So here 7 will come. This is the mistake in the figure. This is yes. Next 0. So 0 is already there. It is called hit. 1 is already there. It is called hit. So in this way we have to fill all the page numbers in the reference string in the available memory. So if you count the number of misses or page faults, there are 12 page faults and there are 8 hits available. So when compared to optimal page replacement algorithm, definitely it will give more page faults. Okay. So this is how LRU page replacement algorithm works. Here we have to identify the page request which least recently used. You go with the backward direction, which one is the last page frame we used recently. We select that frame, remove it and fill it with the new requested page. So that is the concept in LRU page replacement algorithm. Thank you.